Are you getting Office error code 1712 while installing the Office suite? Then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways that you can use to fix this issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. When it comes to technical failures, multiple factors can contribute to the occurrence of this installation error code 1712. The slow speed of the internet while installing an Office program may abruptly pause the background installation process. So make sure you are connected to a stable internet connection. So, check your internet speed from speedtest.net. If you have an unstable and poor internet connection, contact your service provider. Method 2. The next thing you can do is restart your router or modem. So turn off your PC and your router or modem. Disconnect all the attached peripherals and cables. Wait for some time and then reconnect everything. Now turn on your device, the router or modem, and check for an internet connection. Method 3. Open Task Scheduler app using Windows Search. Go to Task Scheduler Library. Right-click on Office or MS Word under Microsoft and choose Delete folder. Once done, restart your PC. Now try to install MS Office again. Method 4. Sometimes the DNS settings may not be configured correctly. This can cause Office error code 1712. So, change the DNS settings to see if this fixes the issue. Open Control Panel using Windows Search. Change View by to large or small icons. Select Networks and Sharing Center. Click on your internet connection and expand its properties. Double-click on Internet Protocol version 4 and select the Obtain an IP address automatically and Obtain DNS server address automatically options. Now see if this has fixed the Ethernet connection error, or else go to the next step. Next, select Internet Protocol version 4 and open its properties. Then click on Use the following DNS server addresses option. Set the value of the preferred DNS server address to 8.8.8.8. Then, set the alternate DNS server address to 8.8.4.4. Click on OK to save the changes. Now check if this could fix the issue. Then go to the next solutions. Method 5. The security settings of your computer, software or firewall can block the installation process. So, you can temporarily disable firewall and antivirus. Since it is always recommended not to disable firewall and antivirus as your system is vulnerable to malicious threats without them, make sure to enable them soon after. Here is how to disable Windows Defender Firewall. Type Windows Defender Firewall in the Windows search box and select the top option. Click on Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Click on Turn off Windows Defender Firewall, not recommended for private and public network settings. Save the changes by clicking on OK. If you use Windows Security, type Windows Security in the search menu and select the first option. Select Virus and Threat Protection. Click on Manage Settings from the Virus and Threat Protection settings. From the next window, turn off the toggle for real-time protection. From the next USA prompt, select Yes. If you have any third-party antivirus software, make sure to turn it off too. Method 6. Press the Windows +R keys. Type %temp% and hit Enter. Select all the files and delete them. You can skip files that are running in the background. Now restart your PC. Method 7. Click on the Start button. Type CMD and right-click and choose to run command prompt as an administrator. Type sfc/scan now in the elevated command prompt window and hit Enter. It will take some time to finish the scanning process. If the results show any errors, you need to take the proper action to correct them. Method 8. Outdated Windows can be the reason why you are getting the error. So update Windows to fix the problem. To do that, type check for updates in the Windows search and click on the first option. Now click on the check for updates button to update Windows. If there is any pending update, download and install it. Once done, restart your PC and check. Method 9. If error code 1712 persists, you can try repairing the existing or half-installed Office package on your computer. To do so, click on Windows Start menu and select Settings. Select Apps from the given options and the installed apps, and scroll down to find Office from the installed apps. Click on the three dots menu and select Advanced Options. Scroll down and select Repair. When you choose to repair Office, the app's data won't be affected. If you do not see Office here, skip this step. Method 10. You can also repair Word from the control panel. Here is how to do so. Open Control Panel using Windows Search. Open Programs and Features. Right-click on Microsoft Office from the app list. Select the Change option. Select Quick Repair and click on the Repair option. Follow the on-screen instructions to finish the process. Then, proceed with the installation of Office 365 Suite. Method 11. If none of the steps has worked for you and Word is still showing errors, reinstall MS Office. To do so, press Windows + R to open the Run utility. Then enter appwiz.cpl in the Run command box. Press the Enter key to run the command. Find Microsoft Office from the installed apps. Right-click on it and select Uninstall option. Follow the on-screen instructions to finish the process. Reinstall Word and check. And there you have it, the methods to fix the Office error code 1712. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.